Hi family, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijoma Flores, okay? For all my subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. All my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys too, okay? So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. Like my video and share with family and friends, okay? In this channel I do more of DIY videos. I also post videos of hairs, okay, because I'm also a hair vendor. So as you can see from your screen right now, I've already prepped this 360 full frontal lace. I've vetted it from scratch. If you want to see video how to vetted, let me know, okay? So after prepping it, I started my braiding. So look at how the pattern looks. It's very neat. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, okay? Just stay tuned. So I use my gel, to slick the hair. It's a synthetic hair, so I slick it down very well. First of all, I use my brush, and secondary, and I made use of my latex comb. And before I started braiding, I divided it into 3 equal parts. This is optional. It's optional, or is mainly for for beginners. It's something that you can use your fingers to divide and braid it through, okay? But for the sake of beginners, I choose to use my comb to divide it into 3 equal parts. So after which I started to to braid it. So just watch the video. The video is self-explanatory, okay? I'll braid it down a little bit before I'll now start to add my extensions, that is the attachments. Remember, the color of this attachment is common green, and is expression product. I'm so much in love with expression products. I don't know why. I love using expression products whenever I'm making braiding. So, and pardon me, I didn't notice that my shoulder broke the view, okay, but it wasn't that much. So while making my knotless braid, the pattern I normally use is inner stitching. So I don't use regular Ghana braiding pattern, okay? So inner stitching, you braid one strand, then you put the other strand aside and braid again, then you add that strand that you put aside, if you understand what I mean. Okay, I'm having cold, so that's why my voice is a kind of coarse, but just manage me, guys, okay? So that is it. That was exactly how I made this 360, because this did not include all the crepes, okay? It's not that detailed tutorial, but I believe you must learn something. So I braided all of it off camera, and this time around I want to coil the tips. Yes, here is the coiler that I used. Just fix it, then you wrap it around, then use the crepe to hold it down. So that was all I did. If you want me to make a detailed tutorial on how to make a knotless braid from scratch, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna do that for you. Sometimes why making content and your videoing is not always easy, especially when you don't have anybody that's assisting you. So that was exactly what happened. My girl wasn't around, so I was a kind of reluctant, to be videoing everything. Now after wrapping it wrapping the forming the coils using this coiler. I poured hot water off camera too, and I left it to stay for 72 hours because I really wanted the coils to last. Okay, so I left it for 72 hours, and as you can see from the screen right now, I'm removing it from the coiler. Okay, and here is it. So that's it. So after removing all of it from the coiler, I trim it because some parts are longer than other parts. So I have to use my scissors to trim it to make sure that all are equal. Yeah, because I always love my wig to look so nice and beautiful. Okay, when it comes to braided wig, leave it for me. I don't buy braided wig from other vendors. All my braided wigs, I made it myself. Yeah, and I love working with 360 um lace. Okay, so I trimmed. Yeah, I trimmed. So after which I now made use of my styling moves. Guys, I nearly finished one bottle of styling moves on this day. I nearly finished one bottle of styling moves. I really love my wigs to be neat. Okay, you know, the reason why you should use this after making your wig, it will help to slick uh, the flyaways, that the ones that you couldn't remove with your scissors. This will actually help you to slick down, okay, and make your work to look neat, a bit neater. I don't know. So guys, here is the end result. Actually, this is for sale. Okay, so if you don't want to add this wig to your collection, do well too. Or chat me up so that I can send it to you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and do well. If you like what you've seen, do not hesitate to follow the family by hitting the red button, like my video, and share. Stay tuned until my next one. Love you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah.